Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you 5 simple steps to becoming a millionaire in just 5 years. It all starts with mastering the millionaire mindset. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to set clear, specific goals. Write them down and make them measurable. Whether it's a certain amount of money you want to earn or a business you want to start, having a clear vision will keep you focused and motivated along the way. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Now, it's time to diversify your income. Relying on just one source won't lead you to financial freedom. Look for opportunities to create multiple streams of income. It could be through investments, real estate, or even starting your own side business. The key is to have income flowing in from various sources. To become a millionaire, you need to make your money work for you. Educate yourself on investment strategies and find opportunities that align with your goals. Whether it's stocks, mutual funds, or real estate, make sure to choose wisely and always remember to diversify your investments. Building wealth takes time and discipline. It's crucial to stay disciplined throughout the process. Avoid unnecessary expenses, stick to your budget, and save a portion of your income. By staying disciplined and living within your means, you will be able to accumulate wealth faster. Finally, surround yourself with like-minded individuals who have already achieved financial success. Network with millionaires, attend seminars, and seek mentorship. Surrounding yourself with success will keep you motivated, provide valuable guidance, and help you avoid common pitfalls. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire in 5 years is possible if you master the millionaire mindset. Set clear goals, build multiple streams of income, invest wisely, stay disciplined, and surround yourself with success. Remember, it's all about having the right mindset and taking consistent action towards your financial goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on achieving financial freedom. Here's to your success.